Alright, let's have a look at Photoshop. Now that we've loaded the pairs in from Lightroom, um, let's understand a few things about the layout of Photoshop itself. Up in the top right corner, you probably see the word Essentials in the little drop down box. If you click on that drop down, you get a number of layouts, common layouts for Photoshop. Let's select Photography. The photography layout has some panels commonly used for photo editing. We have the histogram, the adjustments panel, and the all-important layers panel. To the left of that are some other tools that are easily accessible to us. I have different tools than you will have by default. On the left-hand side are all of the most common tools, and we'll use a few of these throughout the course. I just want to point out how each of these tools, or most of the tools, have a little tiny triangle in the lower right corner. That triangle indicates that that particular tool has more than one function. If you click and hold the mouse button down, a little menu will pop up showing you the various options for that tool. Now, each tool or each icon holds a number of similar tools within it. And here we're looking at the lasso tool. The lasso tool has underneath it the lasso tool itself, the polygonal lasso tool, and the magnetic lasso tool. Whichever one we have selected is going to show in the icon. So right now we have the magnetic lasso tool selected. If we select the lasso tool, it turns into the loop. If we select the polygonal lasso tool, it turns into the hard-edged one. We're not going to talk about what the lasso tool does right now. I just want you to understand that that functionality can change which tool you currently have active. Alright. Over in the layers area, this is where the power of Photoshop is. This is where we're going to bring more than one layer in to really take advantage of the stuff that we cannot do in Lightroom. We'll work images in different ways, make selections, and do things that will help us make more creative images. Alright? So continue reading your handout, and I hope this made sense.